Hi, friends. Welcome to Everyday Dialogue. Listen carefully. Here we go.
Rosita, I called you so many times last night. Where were you?
I'm so sorry. My phone was on silent. I was at the Ariana Grande concert.
Are you kidding me? Really? Who'd you go with?
I went with Bella and Chloe. It was amazing.
How was it? Tell me everything.
It was so crowded, but the energy was incredible. When she came on stage, everyone screamed.
Did you see her up close?
Yes, she sang my favorite song, Seven Rings, Positions, Bang Bang. I almost cried. I just wanted to hug and kiss her.
You can't hug her at a concert.
I know, but I love her so much. After the concert, we went to her hotel and begged her bodyguards.
What happened? Tell me.
Finally, they let us in for 1 minute. I met her and took a selfie. Look,
Wow, you are so lucky. I wish I was with you.
next time you have to come with us. It's so much fun.
Definitely. But remember, Ariana is your love. I will just watch from a distance.
Don't worry, she is yours in your dreams.
So, what was the best part of the night?
When 70,000 people sang together, it felt magical. And then meeting her, it was like a dream come true.
How did you get the tickets? Was it difficult?
We bought them online months ago. It was a little expensive, but worth it.
What was she wearing? Did she have her ponytail?
Yes, her famous high ponytail. She wore a shiny pink dress. She looked like a princess.
How was her voice? Was it good live?
Even better than in her songs. She hit every note perfectly. Bella recorded some videos.
Can you send me the videos?
Of course. I'll send them tonight. Chloe also bought a t-shirt.
What other songs did she sing?
She sang Seven Rings, Problem, and Side to Side. The whole stadium was dancing.
Weren't you tired from standing for so long?
A little, but the excitement was stronger. My feet hurt today, but I don't care.
Did you eat anything there?
We had some hot dogs and soda. The food was expensive too.
How did you get to the concert? By train?
No, we took a taxi. There was too much traffic after the concert, so we walked back to the hotel.
What time did it finish?
Around 11 p.m., but we waited near the hotel until 1 a.m. to see her.
You are a super fan. Weren't you cold?
Yes, it was windy, but we had our jackets. Passion kept us warm.
I believe you. So, are you going to her next concert?
If she comes back, yes, 100%. You are coming with me next time, right?
Okay, it's a promise, but you have to tell me when the tickets are on sale.
Deal. I will send you a reminder. Maybe we can go with Bella and Chloe again.
That sounds fun! Did they enjoy it as much as you?
Chloe loved it. Bella said it was okay, but she prefers Beyoncé.
Oh, I like Beyoncé too. Maybe we can all go to her concert next time.
Great idea. It can be a double date with music.
Exactly. So, are you going to frame the selfie?
Yes, I will put it on my wall. It's my most precious treasure now.
I'm really happy for you. You look so happy in the photo.
Thank you. It was the best night of my life. I will never forget it.
Do you want to go for a coffee? You can tell me more stories.
Sure, let's go to our usual cafe. My treat, because I feel so generous today.
Awesome. I'm listening. Did she talk to the audience?
Yes, she said thank you to everyone. She was so sweet and humble.